So let me show you guys how to download and install the latest version of Java on our Windows 11. So first, open your browser and search Oracle Java. Press enter. Click on the official link, oracle.com. So from here, click download Java. So scroll down. So the current version is JDK26. This is when installing for Windows. So click Windows and download the x64 installer. So click on the link and wait for the file to be downloaded. So our download is complete. So right click and click open to begin the installation process. So click yes. So it's preparing to install. So let's continue with our setup. So click next. So Java will be installed in this location, but if you want to change, you can click change and select the directory that you want. So click OK and click next. So we have successfully installed Java on our local system. So you can click close. So let's verify the installation. Come to the search bar and type cmd and press enter. So here on the command prompt, type java space -version and press enter. And you can see that we have successfully installed Java 26 on our Windows 11. So from here, we can verify or set the path. So come to the search bar. So remember that the installed files are located in the local disk C. So local disk C under program files. So look for Java, open the folder, open the current version, JDK26. So open bin, click on this empty space and copy this path. So minimize. So come to the search bar and type environment. So edit the system environment variables, click open. So from here under advanced, click environment variables. So under system variables, double click on path, click new and set and paste the path that you recently copied. So from here, click OK, OK, and the last OK. So that's how to install the latest version of Java on our Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.